So we got to go back to Sally's because we decided we were going to try to sell some gel nail polish. But Jadis is going to stay here and list his shirt. What is this, Jay?
It's a polo Ralph Lauren shirt. It's like it's one of these ones that they're hard to find. Like this is called a big pony.
I'm pretty proud of him for this.
Yeah. I have a draft of it. The only one and on here is a medium, and they selling it for $75. But this is an XX large, so we put it up at $99.
Mm-hmm.
I'm taking pictures, getting it all readied up, and these are like they're ones I found like on eBay are pretty rare. So the ones, I'm glad I found this.
And for the ones that weren't exactly like yours but similar, what did they sell for? Like a ballpark range?
The ones that were like they had the 3 on there.
Yeah.
There was like those ones sold for like 65.
65. Okay.
And, like, the ones that were like D1 and N1, they sold for about 95.
And how much did you pay for it? Roughly.
$8.
Good job. Yay.